Marketing without goals? That's like driving blindfolded. Let's set goals that actually get you somewhere. Your marketing goals should support your bigger business objectives. Want more sales? More brand awareness? Start here. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. If they don't check those boxes, you're just guessing. Pick metrics that matter. Leads, website traffic, conversions. Track what actually moves the needle. Big goal too intimidating? Break it down into smaller, bite-sized targets you can hit step by step. Deadlines aren't just for work. They keep your goals on track. Set clear timeframes for each milestone. Goals aren't set in stone. Check progress regularly and tweak when needed. Everyone's rowing the same boat. Make sure your team knows the goals and how to hit them together. Set smart marketing goals, crush them, and watch your business grow. Need a goal-setting worksheet? Just ask. I got you.